The last lecture is more than just a book. It's a testament to life, love, and the power of chasing your dreams. It serves as a guide, a mentor, and a friend to those who seek meaning and purpose in their lives. Published in 2008, it beautifully captures the essence of Randy Pausch, a renowned computer science professor diagnosed with terminal pancreatic cancer. His story is not just about his illness, but about his zest for life and his desire to impart wisdom. With just months to live, Randy delivered a final lecture at Carnegie Mellon University, not about academic pursuits, but about life's most valuable lessons. This lecture was a heartfelt message to his students, colleagues, and the world, emphasizing the importance of achieving one's dreams and enabling the dreams of others. Co-written with Jeffrey Zaslow, the book expands upon this lecture, offering a poignant and inspiring message for readers of all walks of life. It delves deeper into Randy's thoughts, providing a more comprehensive understanding of his philosophies and beliefs. It's a book for anyone seeking guidance on navigating life's complexities, especially those facing their own adversities. It offers practical advice and emotional support, making it a valuable resource for anyone going through tough times. Randy Pausch's story is one of courage, humor, and unwavering optimism in the face of immense challenges. His ability to maintain a positive outlook, even when faced with the harshest realities, is truly inspiring. The book delves into his childhood dreams, his passion for teaching, and his profound reflections on life and death. It encourages readers to reflect on their own dreams and passions, and to pursue them with determination and enthusiasm. It's a raw and honest account of a man determined to leave a lasting legacy for his family and inspire the world with his message of hope. Randy's candidness about his journey makes the book relatable and impactful. The book resonated deeply with millions worldwide, transcending cultural and geographical boundaries. Its universal themes of love, perseverance, and hope have touched hearts across the globe. It became an instant New York Times bestseller, touching countless lives with its powerful message of living life to the fullest. The book's success is a testament to its profound impact and the enduring relevance of its message. Randy's story continues to inspire individuals to embrace their dreams, cherish their loved ones, and approach life's journey with gratitude and enthusiasm. His legacy lives on through the countless people who have been moved by his words. The last lecture is a beacon of hope, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, we can choose how we live our remaining days. It encourages us to focus on what truly matters and to make the most of every moment. It's a timeless piece of literature that encourages reflection, sparks conversations, and inspires positive change in the lives of its readers. The book's enduring appeal lies in its ability to connect with people on a deeply personal level, making it a cherished read for generations to come. At the heart of the last lecture lies the profound message of confronting life's inevitable obstacles head-on, with courage and determination. Pausch uses the metaphor of brick walls to represent the challenges we encounter throughout our lives, symbolizing the barriers that test our resolve. These walls may seem insurmountable at first, towering over us and casting shadows of doubt, but Randy argues that they are not meant to stop us. Instead, they serve as opportunities for growth, resilience, and self-discovery, pushing us to dig deeper and find our inner strength. He emphasizes that the way we choose to react to these obstacles defines our character and shapes our journey, molding us into who we are meant to become. Randy shares personal anecdotes of facing his own brick walls, from childhood rejections to professional setbacks, illustrating his points with real-life examples. He recounts these experiences not with bitterness, but with humor and a deep understanding that these challenges ultimately made him stronger and more resilient. He encourages readers to view obstacles as stepping stones, opportunities to learn, adapt, and emerge as more resilient versions of themselves, ready to face future challenges. The book emphasizes the importance of perseverance, urging readers to never give up on their dreams, even when faced with setbacks and seemingly insurmountable odds. Randy firmly believed that obstacles are not roadblocks but detours, leading us down unexpected paths that may hold even greater opportunities for fulfillment and success. He challenges us to embrace the unknown, to step outside our comfort zones, and to never let fear paralyze us from pursuing our passions and dreams. The last lecture reminds us that life is a journey filled with both triumphs and challenges, each playing a crucial role in our personal development. It's about learning from our mistakes, adapting to change, and never losing sight of the things that truly matter, such as love, integrity, and perseverance. By embracing the brick walls, we unlock our potential for growth and discover the strength we never knew we possessed, ultimately leading us to a more fulfilling life. In summary, the last lecture teaches us that life's brick walls are not there to keep us out, but to give us a chance to show how badly we want something. They are there to stop the people who don't want it badly enough. Embrace these challenges, learn from them, and let them shape you into a stronger, more resilient person. Remember, it's not about the obstacles themselves, but how we choose to overcome them that defines our journey and our legacy. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button.